Hello everyone. We will continue our chapter linear equations. Some more problems we are discussing today related to your exercise 7B. Today see question number 23 of your 7th B exercise. A fruit vendor buys some oranges at the rate of ₹5 per orange. एक fruit vendor ने buy किए some oranges at the rate of ₹5 per orange. We don't know how many numbers of oranges he purchased. He also buys equal number of bananas. जितने उसने orange परचेज किए हैं उतने ही बनानास परचेज किए हैं, बट उसका पर बनाना रेट है ₹2 और पर ऑरेंज रेट है ₹5. ही मेक्स ए 20% प्रॉफिट ऑन ऑरेंज. ऑरेंज को जब उसने सेल किया तो उस पर 20% का प्रॉफिट लिया एंड ए 15% प्रॉफिट ऑन बनानास. बनानास पे उससे प्रॉफिट मिल रहा है 15% का. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ऑल द फ्रूट इज सोल्ड आउट. जितने फ्रूट्स उसके पास थे all the fruits is sold out. His total profit is ₹390. इसका total profit है ₹390 का. Then find the number of oranges purchased. Then how we will continue it? We don't know about the number of oranges in the starting. So we start from let the number of oranges he buy is equal to x. Then total cost of oranges is equal to x multiply by 5, that is equal to ₹5. Equal number of bananas. So number of oranges, number of bananas is equal to number of oranges. It means this is also equal to x. Then total cost of, we can say cost price of oranges, bananas is equal to x into 2, that is equal to 2x, ₹2x. Total cost price of fruits for vendor, for fruit vendor is equal to 5x plus 2x is equal to ₹7x. कि टोटल जो उसने फ्रूट्स परचेज किए हैं उसकी कॉस्ट प्राइस कितनी हो गई 7x. नाउ सी ही मेक्स ए 20% प्रॉफिट ऑन ऑरेंज. Profit on oranges is equal to 20%. It means selling price of oranges is equal to, what we will do, 100 plus profit divided by 100 multiply by cost price. It means 100 plus 20 divided by 100 multiply by cost prices 5x, that is equal to 120 divided by 100 into 5x, 60, 12 5s are 60, 60x divided by, it means selling price of oranges is equal to 6x. Now find out selling price of bananas. How many profit he have on bananas? That is 15%. 15% profit. It means 100 plus profit. If we apply the same formula, then it becomes 115 divided by 100 into total cost price of bananas 2x. Now multiply 15 2s are 30, 2 1s are 2, divide by 100. Then it becomes 2.3x rupees. Now total selling price of fruits. Total selling price of fruits. It means both bananas and orange is equal to 6x plus 2.3x is equal to 8.3x, and total cost price of fruits, that is equal to 7x. Cost price 7x, selling price 8.3x, it means he will get the profit, then profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is 8.3x minus 7x becomes 1.3x, and in the amount it is given to you that total profit is equal to 390. So according to statement, 1.3x is equal to 390, then x is equal to 390 upon 1.3. When you remove this decimal, you will multiply here by 10. 13 3s are 39. It means x is equal to 300. What is the x here? Numbers or rupees? This is the total number of oranges. That is total number of oranges he buys 300. An equal number of bananas, and bananas also 300. So this type we will solve. It's related to, we can say, profit and loss question described by selling price and cost price. So whenever profit and cost price is given to you, then how to find out directly selling price? There is a formula that 100 plus profit divided by 100 multiplied by cost price. If loss is given to you, then we take 100 minus loss divided by 100 multiplied by cost price. Similarly, if SP and profit or loss given to you, then directly how to find out cost price? That is equal to formula 100 upon 100 plus minus profit or loss. It means if it is profit, then we will do add it. If it is loss, then we will do subtract it. Multiply by selling price. So this time we will solve these type of question. Okay, now we will see next problem. Your question number 27. 9 persons went to a hotel. Question number 27. 9 persons went to a hotel. For taking their meals. For taking their meals. 8 of them spent rupees. 8 of them spent rupees 12 each over their meals. Each over their meals. And the ninth spent rupees 8 more than the average expenditure of all the 9. Average expenditure of all the 9. What was the total money spent by them? What was the total money spent by them? See the question. 9 persons went to a hotel. Total 9 persons went to a hotel for taking their meals. 8 of them spent ₹12 each. इट मीन्स उनमें से 8 ने ईच मीन्स हर एक जने ने कितने दिए हैं ₹12. एंड 9th spent ₹8 more than the average expenditure of all the 9. 9th वन ने जो एक्सपेंडिचर दिया है वो सबका एवरेज प्लस ₹8. What was the total money spent on them? उसके ऊपर टोटल मनी कितना स्पेंड हुआ है. See here, 9 persons went to a hotel for their meals. Then average of 9 person which they spend, we can say average of 9 person is equal to x bar. We take let average of 9 person is equal to x bar. Then total money spent by 8 person. 1 person ने 12 रुपीज दिए हैं, तो 8 persons each persons give 12 rupees. It means total 8 persons spent money ₹96. 9th one spent money on meals. What condition is given to you? टोटल जो 8 persons है उन्होंने तो 96 रुपीज उस पर एक्सपेंडिचर दिया है, लेकिन 9th पर्सन जो था उसमें उसने कितना एक्सपेंडिचर दिया है ₹8 मोर देन द एवरेज एक्सपेंडिचर. एवरेज एक्सपेंडिचर कितना है? दैट एवरेज एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ 9 पर्सन दैट इज एक्स बार, उससे कितना 8 मोर देन दिया. तो 9th पर्सन ने स्पेंड किया है एक्स बार प्लस 8 पर्सन तक ने स्पेंड किया है 96. तो इफ वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट द एवरेज एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ 9 पर्सन, नॉट 9th, दिस इज 9 पर्सन्स, टोटल 9 पर्सन्स का जो एवरेज एक्सपेंडिचर है वो फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? देखो, वेन एवर वी आर फाइंडिंग आउट द एवरेज, एवरेज कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? दैट वी टेक सम ऑफ ऑल डिवाइड बाय नंबर ऑफ दोज पर्सन. सम ऑफ ऑल, जितना उन्होंने टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर दिया है उन सबका सम डिवाइड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ पर्सन. तो यहाँ सम कितना है? 8 तक का टोटल है 96, 9th वन का है एक्सपेंडिचर एक्स बार प्लस 8 और टोटल पर्सन कितने हैं? 9. 8 तक का टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर है 96, रिमेनिंग वन जो है उसका एक्सपेंडिचर है एक्स बार प्लस 8 और इन टोटल का डिवाइड बाय क्या आ जाएगा? 9. और एवरेज एक्सपेंडिचर हमारा किसके इक्वल है? एक्स बार के. तो इट बिकम्स 96 एक्स बार प्लस 8 डिवाइड बाय 9. नाउ डू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. 9 एक्स बार इज इक्वल टू 96 प्लस 8 104. Now solve it. 9x bar minus x bar is equal to 104. 8x bar is equal to 104. X bar is equal to 104 divided by 8. That is 8 ones are 8. 8 threes are 24. It means x bar, average expenditure of 9 persons is equal to 13 rupees. What is asking in the question? What was the total money spent by them? उनसे total money कितना spent हुआ है? Total कितना money इन लोग सबने 9 person ने spend किया है? It means we want to find out this one cost. Then total money spent by them 96 plus 13 plus 8. That is 17, 9 or 1, 10 or 1, 11. Rupees 117 spent by all. So this type we will solve. Average का meaning क्या होता है? Sum of all divide by number of those. कोई भी चीज़ है उनका सम लेकर डिवाइड बाय उनके नंबर से. Suppose we want to find out the average of marks in your class. So what we will do, 10 students है अगर तुम्हारी क्लास में और each students किसी के 5 marks है, किसी के 6 है, किसी के 7 है, किसी के 8 है. Then what we will do, average marks कैसे करेंगे? Sum of all the marks, जितने भी marks होंगे 10 students के उन सबको add कर देंगे. Then after divide by number of student that is equal to 10. Then we can find out average marks of your class. Similarly यहाँ हमें average find out करना था तो total 9 persons थे. Sum of all persons money मतलब all persons ने अपने meal पर कितना खर्च किया है, divide by number of total person. So that's why we will do 96. sum है 8 तक का. Means you can write down like this also, 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 persons का तो इतना स्पेंड है. 9th वन का स्पेंड क्या है कि जो हमारा एवरेज है उसमें 8 ऐड कर दो. तो टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर क्या हो जाएगा इन सबको ऐड करने पे आएगा. डिवाइड बाय नंबर ऑफ पर्सन्स, तो टोटल पर्सन्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 और ये 9th वन का है तो टोटल कितने हो गए, नंबर ऑफ पर्सन्स इज इक्वल टू 9. सो दिस टाइप वी विल फाइंड आउट द एवरेज. सो द लास्ट प्रॉब्लम वी विल डिस्कस ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, देन यू विल कंप्लीट योर 7th चैप्टर इन योर नोटबुक. This is your chapter assessment, question number 10. If the height of a triangle is decreased by 40% and its base is increased by 40%, what will be the percentage change in its area? This is a question related to geometry, mensuration. If the height of a triangle is decreased by 40% and base is increased by 40%, then what will be the percentage change in area? Whenever we want to find out the percentage change, then there will be total change divided by actual value multiply by 100. This time we will find out the percentage change. See now, triangle area, it is comparing with base and height. So firstly, you should be aware with area of triangle. What is the area of triangle? Area of triangle is equal to, here formula is 1 by 2 into base into height. According to this given parameters, we can say 1 by 2 into base into height, that is 1 by 2 into b into h. It means original area of triangle is 1 by 2 bh. Now see, height of a triangle is decreased by 40%. Then new height, height decreased by 40%. It means h 40%, height का 40% कितना हो गया 0.4h. The new height h dash is equal to h minus 0.4h, that is 0.7. 6h. Similarly, base is increased by 40%, then 40% of the base is equal to 40% into b 0.4b, then new base is equal to b dash. Increasing, it means we will add it, then it become 1.4b. Now new area of triangle, becomes 1/2 into new base 1.4b and new height 0.6h. When you solve it, 2 3s are 6, 14 3s are 42, divide by 100 bh, it becomes 0.4242 bh. Area of new triangle is equal to 0.42 bh. See here, now area of new triangle is equal to 0.42 bh. Area of triangle, original triangle, 1/2 का मीन्स क्या है? 1/2 मीन्स 0.5. So see, there is a increase or decrease in the area. यहाँ एरिया में इंक्रीज हुआ है या डिक्रीज हुआ है? We can say decrease in area is equal to how much? Given area minus new area. It becomes 0.5. 0 minus 0.42, that become 0.08 pH. Then percentage decrease, how to find out? Percentage decrease is equal to decrease divided by actual value multiply by 100. Then decrease 0.08 pH divided by actual value half pH multiply by BH to BH cancel. 0.08 means 8 by 100 multiply by 2 by 1 into 100. This one cancel. 8 2s are 16. So decrease in area is equal to 16%. Again see what is the meaning of this question. If the height of a triangle is decreased by 40%, height 40% से decrease हो रही है और base 40% से increase हो रहा है, तो firstly area of triangle को हमें compare करना है. तो what is the area of triangle? That is the half into base into height. Then after base, that is b, then new base 40% increase, then we will add b plus 0.4b is equal to 1.4b and find out the value of new height. There is decrease, then h minus 0.4h, that is equal to 0.6h. Then we find out the new area of area of new triangle. New area of triangle की जगह area of new triangle, now that becomes this one. Now we can see easily that there is a difference and area is decreasing from the original one. So we find out the decrease in area. Then we find out decrease, percentage decrease in area is equal to decrease divided by actual value multiply by 100. Then we will put the values and we will get the result 16% decrease in area. Okay student, now your 7B exercise complete. In 7th chapter, if you want that any question you have, in any question you have problem and you want that I'll solve here, then you can message me which question you want to discuss on the board now. Okay student, thank you.